King! He's not looking in the mirror. Super baby. Hola! Food. Bye, guys! Cole, can I get a what? Iyan tot! Ayan! 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 It starts. We're on a boat. We just need to go somewhere. We're going to 100 Islands. It's hot. It's time to go. I need to get in the water. We're 3 boats deep because we are 30 people deep.
3-story, parang 3-story house.
Login! There's our other boat. Our first boat is like all the way over there. That's us. That right there, that's us. You're so cute, Jordan. It doesn't fit you. They made us put on life vests. Like, I can swim though. We're going over there somewhere to one of those islands. It's funny because like we put all the kids on the first boat, the medium-sized people on the second boat, and then all the bigger fat people on the last boat, so they're gonna be a heavy load. Talagang bigger. Small, medium, large.
Sikpasyo. Tita Wilma.
Big people. I have not been here since I was 12 and I did not appreciate it because the water is fucking gorgeous right now. Look at this. It's so clear. Look at that. think I used to be opposed to coming here. What?
Paunahan doon na.
Everybody! Smile!
Video. Mabigat. Anong adding mo? Pipit totoy. Hindi niya alam. Paglabas ni Ate, paglabas ni Ate mo, okay nga lang. Wala kang baby. Kamu, may paminta na.
Ala! Okay na. Bulaga!
Kaya mo naman ako.
Anong nangyari? Ha? Bakit? Ha? Bakit? Ayin. Oh, uy, ano yun?
Gaglen! Katapang niya eh.
Bet, kaon mo na yung patulogin na. Nag-line na garo, nag-fix na ako.
Ata. So when we got here, it was empty, and there's like literally no people. And then Colin started freaking kayaking. She was the first person to kayak, and now look at this mess. Zoom in the water. Colin started it. Oh my god!
Kaya magsiswimming ka bata.
Oh my god, look at me and Colin. We are like 3 shades tanner. Our foundation won't work for us anymore. I'm coming. Me and Colin are like 3 shades darker than we're supposed to be, and we have pictures to take tomorrow. No? 2 days from now. This is not gonna go away. But anyways, it's so funny because everybody decided to switch boats because nobody wanted to be in the slow boat. So like,
Which was the slow boat?
the first one that we alone was in. Yeah, nobody wants to be in the slow boat. We're going ziplining, short zipline. It's cute. It's 100 pesos per person. It's about 250 each. And these girls are scared because they kind of want to go 2 by 2. And it seems like they're only going 1 by 1. Salt. Salt farming? That's salt. Alright, there goes the fams. Everybody in.